First, I will form good habits and become their followers. I will greet this day with affection in my heart. I will persist until I succeed. I am nature's greatest miracle. I will live this day as it is my last orientation day. Today I will be master of my emotions. Today I will multiply my value 100-fold. I will act now. I will pray for guidance. I will decide on my goals and keep them forever in my thoughts. We find only what we seek with all our heart. If I look for nothing in particular from life, I will find just that. There is nothing I cannot achieve if I try. These are the 10 guidelines of the life and determination of the life that a human being can follow at any day, any time, any moment. And these 10 guidelines, these 10 thoughts, these 10 determinations make the life in different perspectives. And that internal energy, that internal positive deeds, that internal positive act can transform the life of a human being. Thank you.